Hey guys, what if you could create a high quality video just by uploading a single image? What if a few lines of text were all you needed to bring a full scene to life? And what if you could take an existing video and use it as a reference to generate something completely new? Instantly. Sounds unreal? Not anymore. Vidu.com is making this the new normal. From image to video, text to video, to even reference-based video generation, this AI tool is seriously pushing boundaries. So, how good is it really? And can it replace traditional video creation tools? Let's break it down and see what it can do. The link is available in the video description below. Just click it to create your free account. Once you sign up, you'll land on a clean, user-friendly dashboard. Here, you'll find several powerful tools like reference to video, image to video, text to video, AI sound effects, and more. Scroll down and you'll see a variety of templates to experiment with, including short films, tutorials, and recommended content to inspire your next project. It's super convenient for beginners and pros alike. Let's start with the first feature, reference to video. This tool allows you to generate videos with multi-reference consistency. Click on it and you'll be prompted to upload reference images. These can be characters, objects, or full scenes. After uploading, you can set parameters such as video duration, resolution like 720p, movement amplitude, and aspect ratio. Once everything is ready, just hit the create button and within seconds, Vidu will generate a video based on your input. The results are impressive and closely match the references. If you're not satisfied, you can simply hit recreate to generate a new version automatically. Next, we have the image to video feature. This has recently been upgraded with Vidu's new model, Vidu Q1, which offers clearer and more realistic visuals. To use it, just upload an image and enter a short prompt describing the scene. You can also upload a second image for added context, though that's optional. After that, choose your settings. Set the duration, e.g., 5 seconds, resolution, 1080p recommended, movement amplitude, and how many videos you want. Once done, hit create, and in just a short time, your video will be ready. I generated a clip of a happy man dancing in a stylish outfit. It looked incredibly realistic and barely felt like AI was involved. Now let's try text to video. This one is super simple. Just click on the feature, paste or type your prompt, and then choose your style, like general or animation, duration, resolution, movement amplitude, aspect ratio, and how many videos to generate. After clicking create, Vidu will instantly turn your text into a video. The results are accurate, vivid, and surprisingly cinematic, even with just a text description. Another awesome tool is AI sound effects. This lets you generate sound effects with precise timing and layering. Just enter a sound prompt like raindrops on rooftop, and Vidu will handle the rest. You can also add timestamps to control when each sound begins or ends. Once everything's set, hit create, and your custom sound effect is generated in seconds. You can tweak the timeline for more precision if needed. It's as easy as dragging and dropping. Another super useful feature in Vidu is the templates to video option. It allows you to create high-quality videos using ready-made styles and effects. All you have to do is pick a template that matches the looks you're going for. For example, I selected the Ghibli effect template, which gives your video a soft anime-style look. Once you've chosen the template, just upload your images, adjust a few basic settings if needed, and click Generate. In just a few moments, Vidu will create a beautifully styled video for you. No need to tweak anything manually. It's fast, fun, and perfect if you want great looking results with minimal effort. And that's it for today's video. As you can see, creating videos from images, text, or references using Vidu.com is incredibly simple and impressively powerful. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or just experimenting with AI, Vidu opens the door to next level video generation. The link to try it out is in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.